welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing Roblox Got Talent, and I'm joined by Bella. Say hi, Bella.
Hi.
She can't really talk because her dog just ran into her, and her lip is bleeding, so she is just like putting a tissue in her little lip. So today I'm so excited. So I already got a tag number, so I'm just waiting for my turn to go.
Wait, let's do a duet.
Okay, guys. What is that? Is that an Illuminati? Oh, boo. No. Okay, guys, so we're gonna try to complete this obby for some.
I'm on it too.
Yep. So we're trying to complete this obby.
This miniature obby.
I'm really sorry, guys. Hannah's not in our video today. I think is she eating dinner?
Who?
Hannah.
I don't know.
We think she's eating dinner, and she's also sick, so everybody write in the comments best wishes to Hannah. So she's been gone literally this whole week, and so I am literally so sad. I think she got sick because we went swimming, or because of her brother, because her brother was sick too, but he's back at it again. So today we're going to start doing shoutouts of the days again, because I stopped doing that a while ago because
The shout out should be to me for my YouTube video, for my YouTube channel.
No, but I'm gonna write who wants a shout out for my YouTube video. So like we're gonna see. Me. Okay, so we already got a shout out. So our first shout out of the day is going to be Ace the Very Fat Cat, Jenny _XDXX, GRAAL Gamer, Friendly Animal 12, yeah. Say hi! Okay, so Jenny _XDXX says, hi. I'm going to say, my YouTube is Bobo DIY Media. It is the picture of the flower called color. Oh my god, thank you. Let's see with this girl. Can you put subscribe to Lexi Plays Roblox? Yes, everybody subscribe down below to Lexi PLAYZ _RBLX. She seems really cool. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Okay, so we're gonna okay, so we're just gonna continue. Okay, so Jenny says bye. Wow, Jenny. I said everyone that said me made it. So everyone, we are going. Maybe let's buy some merch from RG team. What kind of merch do we want to buy?
No, I just fell.
Oh,
I can't talk.
What is this, guys?
Ah!
I have no idea, and it's not popping up. So so we're just gonna go walking over here. Let's go over to the gym. Ooh. Okay, let's go.
I didn't get enough to be a host.
Actually, let's not go to the gym. Let us go. What are these things? Okay. Guys, let's go up these stairs and let's explore. Guys, we might actually not be a contestant today, but on this video, but yeah, today I think we're just giving out shout outs. I'm gonna say hi to YouTube. So Security Deadpool 5 says hi. And Gorel Gamer, sorry if I said it incorrectly. It's Bob! Oh yeah, my best friend Bob. Okay. And then Gorel Gamer, sorry if I'm saying that wrong, says also says hi. And Jenny is back here again. We're just gonna go down here and we're gonna continue going. I'm gonna say hi to YouTube. I used to have a YouTube channel. You should continue it. For real. Wow, Jenny, I think Jenny is following me. Sorry. I don't accept any friend requests. Say hi, my channel is For Pets Hipco. Oh, Bella! Yeah, everybody go ahead and subscribe to Bella. Bella, say your YouTube channel again.
Huh?
Say your YouTube channel again.
For Pets HPCO, I think.
Okay. And then we are going to. Ooh, this dino guy looks cool. Let's try to climb up. Okay, I've always wanted to like. They're like in a staircase. Like this cool Santa guy. This one dino guy. I think he created the game. I'm not sure. I think these are the creators. I am so sorry if they're not. Like, I don't even know. And I do. She got the Ao and Teo mask on. Actually, let's go ahead and go into catalog. Let us go ahead and click Safari.
Don't leave the game.
I'm not going to below. But let us go over to. I hope you guys can see this hand. Let me exit out just in case you guys cannot see this. And we're just gonna stretch this out. Let's go to catalog and let us go check out some things. Excuse my language. Let's go ahead and buy some things. I'm gonna buy. I really need a cute outfit, like a cute one, because like my outfit is like so plain and original. Original, la 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 la. So we are going.
I'm going to catalog too.
Yeah. Woo. There's not really a lot of things. Ooh. I'm gonna go from best selling. Free. 1 Robux. I have this one. Hey, don't call me cheap. I know I'm cheap. Okay, let's go ahead and buy these ones. These ones. This one. So let us edit avatar. And let's go ahead and put this on. Fantastic. Salaga. Castic. Da. Fastic. Okay, guys, so we are going to reset our character and see what we come up as. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, guys, so I changed my outfit. I must say, guys, to this girl. say hi to YouTube.
Look at mine. Oh wait, I don't have hair. Don't look at mine.
You don't have hair either. Hi, YouTube.
Huh?
Cat Loves Cuddles says hi. And Kai2226 says hi. I hope if this is a real sub to are you just promoting your own channel? Cause honey, no, that's not gonna work with me. Ooh, someone looking hot up in here. Okay, guys, so that's gonna all be for the end. Okay, I'm gonna say to tell everyone, say hi. I am ending the video. Why should I say hi? We should say bye. Say bye. I'm ending the video. I feel fantastic. La 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 la. Gala gala. Get it fantastic. I don't know if they can see me, but okay. Okay, that's all gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys subscribe. And peace, peace, peace on the streets, sister. I love you guys. Goodbye.